Continue.dev versus GitHub Copilot versus Cline. What AI coding tool is better? So in today's video, we're comparing all three AI tools that help you write code faster and smarter. If you've ever felt stuck while coding or just want to speed up your workflow, these three tools could save you tons of time. So now let's break these down individually. Okay, so we're starting off with Continue.dev. So Continue is an open source tool that works like Copilot, but it runs right inside your IDE like VS Code, or JetBrains. It gives smart suggestions, explains codes, and helps you refactor all inside your current project. Now, pros: totally free and open source, supports custom LLMs, GPT-4, Claude, etc. Works inside your existing IDE, privacy friendly, code stays local. Cons: setup is a bit manual, may need your own API key for models, community support, not official backing. Now, this is best for developers who like to tinker, want full control, or prefer open source tools. Next, we got GitHub Copilot. So it's the most well-known tool. It was made by GitHub and powered by OpenAI. It gives real-time code suggestions as you type, helps complete functions, and even writes unit tests. Pros: deeply integrated into GitHub and VS Code. Super fast suggestions built by trusted names, GitHub and OpenAI. Just works out of the box. Cons: starts at around $10 a month, and it's paid. There's no free trials. Doesn't always explain suggestions well. No offline or open source options. Now, this is best for developers who want fast plug and play AI help without any setup. Right, the last one here is Cline. So Cline is a newer AI coding assistant with a chat first interface. It acts like a smart teammate you can talk to right inside your code editor. You can ask it to write functions, explain code, or fix bugs. Pros: easy to use chat-based workflow, handles bug fixing and code understanding, great for junior devs and learning code. Cons: still growing, not as many features as Copilot, limited language support, and requires a separate account. Now, this is best for developers who prefer asking questions and learning from a helpful AI. So which one's better? Go for Continue.dev if you want a free local open source solution with full control, or jump for Copilot if you want something fast, reliable, and battle tested for daily work. Or go for Cline if you want a chat-styled assistant to help you understand and write code better. All three are solid, it just depends on how you code and what you need.